I'm Elliot. This is Everything Elliot. And I got my DIY lawn roller out here. So we're gonna roll my lawn with this today, see how it holds up, see if it's gonna make the cut. Nothing more to it. I got a John Deere X738 pulling it. This is what I mow my lawn with. It's 4-wheel drive, so hopefully I don't get stuck. And if you're not subscribed, I mean, shame on you, because this is quality content. This is as good as it comes. I mean, it gets no better than this. Do me a favor and hit that button. So I'm pretty happy with the way this is working out. I mean, it's rolling the lawn. It certainly is. You know, I really won't be able to tell how flat it makes it until it's time to mow the lawn. I mean, it is time to mow the lawn, but it's just too wet. I'll just rut it up if I'm just mowing it. I'm gonna end up cross hatching this. It'll probably take me like 2 hours to do. But I mean, it's working well. I'm pretty happy with it. And what's really nice is how long I made that tongue. You can almost get that tractor to the roller about 90 degrees when you're making a turn and turning around. So I'm gonna go back to rolling. I'm not gonna film the whole thing because, well, I mean, how much do you really want to watch? It works. I proved it worked. If you guys haven't checked out my other video when making this thing, make sure you do that. If you're interested in making it yourself, you know, you can easily do it. It's not a hard project. So yeah, and if you're not subscribed, I mean, shame on you, because this is quality content. This is as good as it comes. I mean, it gets no better than this. So yeah, do me a favor and hit that button. Well, until the next video, hope you guys have a great day, and yeah, enjoy it. It's beautiful. Winter's over. Just when you thought the video was over, you probably almost thought about clicking away, and you said to yourself, no, I better stay till the end. Good thing you did, because I got the whole grass done, and I figured, I could come in the back. I got some ruts near the pond. Well, now I have even bigger ruts. Quite the mess I've gotten myself in. Seems like the tire's packed full of mud, and just that was the end of it. And if you don't believe me it's stuck, I'll show you. Yeah, it turns out it's a little too wet back here still. So, I don't know, I'll probably just unhook the roller and get the tractor out and then try to drag the roller out. So, that'll be my afternoon. Hope you guys have a good one.